Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a WeChat account on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for WeChat and tap download to install the app. Once it's installed, open WeChat. When the app opens, tap on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. You'll see three options: Sign up with mobile, Sign up with Apple, Sign up with Facebook. For the easiest and most reliable setup, choose Sign up with mobile. Now fill in the required details: full name, region, country, phone number, password. After entering your information, read and agree to the WeChat terms of service, then tap Accept and Continue. Next, WeChat will ask you to complete a quick security check. Tap Next, then tap Start to begin the verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the captcha. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to verify via QR code by another existing WeChat user. And there you have it. Your WeChat account is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.